Hi Mohammed. The next task to brief in on mobile, on the demo page, once again, I really need a mobile device, but I can't do a screencast on a mobile device. So I'm going to try here. If someone was to get one finger and zoom this map and drag upwards, might be a little bit touchy here, but okay, use two fingers to move the map. And there we go. So if I use one finger, the blue footer appears. I don't want the blue footer on mobile devices anymore. For tablet, yes. For desktop, yes. But for mobile, I want to remove the blue footer and change the functionality of this map. You should be able to set it with Google Map settings, leaflet settings. I don't think you've got a login for WPE member, so I'll send you the login details. If I was to log in, see if this works. Okay, so this is the scenicgems.com/map page, and its functionality is how I would like the demo map to be. So there's no use two fingers to move the map, is it? Just hang on, I'll pause the video 1 second. Okay, so I've just checked, and yes, you do need two fingers on the map page as well. I want to change it so that one finger can pan the map, can move the map around, and then pinch zoom is enabled. So pinch zoom currently is enabled, but it's all integrated with the use of two fingers. So one finger to pan the map around, and then if I get two fingers and pinch one way or another way, the map zooms in and zooms out. Yeah, that's essentially it. Simple to explain, I suppose, but probably a little bit more difficult to implement. But that's what I want to happen. So I'll leave it to you and let me know if you've got any questions. Great, cheers.